The head of the Judicial Service Commission met with legislators from the Legal Affairs Committee to discuss the reappointment of the retired Chief Justice Benjamin Odoki by President Museveni. The two-year reappointment has raised a lot of controversy among lawyers and politicians alike.
And I would like to employ, to request Justice Ogoola and a few of senior citizens that you need to engage Justice Benjamin Odoki at even a personal level. Yes, Commissioner Chamber here, you need to talk to your colleague, your senior colleague, senior citizen, that this is not correct.
It is not right. The Judicial Service Commission that sits and advises the President should not allow.
The camps opposed to this move say it's a gross violation of the Constitution, which Justice Odoki helped draft as chairman of the Uganda Constitutional Commission in 1989. Justice Ogoola spoke of his zeal to recruit top-notch judicial officers to administer justice to all Ugandans.
I have told the President that if we do not do the right job, remuneration, vetting, advertising, what have you, the process, the country is going to end up with a mediocre judiciary. And that cannot be. Not on my tenure.
The former principal judge is among the top judicial officers opposed to the President's move of reappointing Justice Benjamin Odoki to head the judiciary. The point of contention lies in the interpretation of two articles. The first is Article 144, which clearly states that the Chief Justice should retire upon attaining 70 years. The other is Article 253, which grants the President powers to reappoint any qualified person who has vacated office. In other news, a group of lawyers have petitioned the Uganda Law Society to demand the suspension of Attorney General Peter Nyombi's license as a member of the Law Society.
Honorable Peter Nyombi is not up to the standard expected of an Attorney General. Honorable Peter Nyombi has always misadvised the President of the Republic of Uganda through written opinions.
But the Attorney General dismisses the move as politicking.
I read about lawyers who called themselves Catholic lawyers who intended to petition for my suspension. And they included characters like Mbabali Jodi, and I can see his signature here, and I think two others. Now, these fellows who have written this petition, instead of coming to me and finding out the facts, they decide to write a petition. Why can't they come and face me?
All lawyers in Uganda must have licenses from the Law Society to practice in the country. Chris Ochamringa, NTV.